Hello everyone, how are y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a good day. Today we're going to make a grilled chicken Caesar salad. Here are my ingredients. Okay, as y'all can see here, I have a bag of romaine hearts. I also have some cheese and garlic, croutons. I have some Parmesan finely shredded cheese and some Caesar dressing. And I also have some grilled chicken. Y'all, I love this brand they got at our food market. You can buy the frozen grilled chicken or you can make your own. It's up to you. Okay, y'all can see here I'm chopping up my chicken. I just chops it up in little chunks. Now I'm getting ready to add my lettuce. Okay, make sure y'all wash your lettuce. Just rinse it off as best you know how. Grilled chicken, the croutons, and a few croutons. It's up to you how many you want in your salad. And now I'm adding Parmesan cheese. I like the Parmesan cheese, so I'm gonna add maybe half a bag of this. Okay, make sure you shake your dressing up. You can make your own Caesar dressing if you would like. Okay, just toss it around, y'all. Just toss it around. I got 2 forks here, and so I'm tossing. Just toss it, and it's that simple, y'all. This is a very, very good salad. You can make these like for lunch, dinner. It'll go along with anything. But I wanted to share this salad with you all. Since it's so hot, you know, everybody trying to keep cool. If you want more chicken, you add more chicken. Like you're going to make this all in one meal, you can add all of the chicken. Because you'll have your vegetables, chicken, you know. You'll have everything. You can find whole wheat croutons. They sort of hard to find. So y'all, this is my salad I wanted to share with you all. Someone had requested that I make meals for people that has diabetes. And you know they can't eat a lot of things. So well, this should do. Okay, well y'all, I'm getting ready to close. And I'm going to say bye-bye for now. Y'all have a blessed day. Okay, y'all. I have Amanda here. And she is going to do the taste test for the grilled chicken Caesar salad.
Look at this, y'all. Ooh. Y'all see that? Look at that. That is good. Y'all want to see me eat it? I'm going to eat it, too. I'm trying to get much as I can on there. Let's see, y'all. Ready? I just bit my lip, but it's good, y'all. I'm sure y'all. This is Miss D's favorite Caesar salad, y'all. First time my mama ever made me was at my sister's graduation party. They tore it up. It's the boom. Y'all better make sure y'all make this stuff. It's good for parties, different occasions. Some of y'all go to church, Pastor Wild anniversary. It's real wrong. God. Sorry I'm smacking with y'all. It's good. Love y'all.
Okay, y'all. Y'all done heard Amanda.
Make sure y'all like. Say like cute. Subscribe. And comment below. Okay?
All right, y'all. We're going to say bye-bye. For now, y'all have a blessed day.
Bye-bye.
Okay.